The global apparel industry moves at a relentless pace, but beneath the surface, sourcing raw materials is filled with severe friction. This chart illustrates the risk. Fluctuating fabric weights, measured in GSM, can trigger a cascading failure across a production timeline. If the weight is inconsistent, the entire line's fit and feel are compromised. Beyond weight variations, brands face hidden hazards in the chemistry of the fabric. Toxic dyes and poor finishing treatments can irritate skin or cause garments to degrade after a single wash, destroying consumer trust. Even when quality is met, legacy manufacturers often enforce massive minimum order quantities. For many brands, these MOQs act as a financial barrier that locks up cash and prevents them from testing new designs. When a designer is forced to navigate these inconsistencies and high barriers alone, the effort required for quality control often absorbs the resources needed for actual expansion. Growth slows as energy is diverted from brand building into crisis management. This profile highlights a solution. Gopal Jee Fabrics was established in Noida, India in 2009 to bridge the gap between scale and reliability. Over 15 years, they have evolved into a global leader through in-house manufacturing, scaling to a massive 100-ton monthly production capacity. This combination of a decade and a half of experience and high-volume output provides the stability required for brands to trust a primary supplier. This schematic contrasts a fragmented, outsourced supply chain against the centralized in-house knitting model at Gopal Jee. Controlling the machines directly allows them to enforce a strict plus or minus 5% GSM precision. According to their catalog, this level of control is applied to premium knits, including single jersey, French terry, fleece, and piqué. These informational icons detail a final standards: Bio Wash and Silicone finishes for softness, and Azo-Free processing to ensure the fabrics are ecologically safe and skin-friendly. Consolidating the knitting, the weight precision, and the ecological finishing under one roof eliminates the quality surprises that typically derail a garment launch. Even with high-end production, traditional sourcing often fails because factories rely on random batch sampling, letting defective rolls slip through to the loading dock. Gopal Jee replaces sampling with a mandate for 100% inspection. Every single roll is scrutinized under bright inspection lights before it is cleared for dispatch. This guarantee of a defect-free delivery directly protects a brand's production timeline, keeping product launches on schedule while preserving profit margins. This physical infrastructure enables frictionless scaling. It allows brands to test small concepts and fulfill massive global orders through the same proven pipeline. This technical document outlines the flexibility. A niche D2C brand can start with just one roll of stock fabric, while a massive export house can commission 300 kilograms per color for custom-dyed orders. The process begins with a direct inquiry and a tailored quotation based on specific requirements. It then moves through the critical mid-production phases of lab dep approval and bulk production. Every order concludes with the mandatory 100% inspection before dispatching to the client's destination. Integrating 15 years of operational experience with these data-backed quality standards, Gopal Jee provides the physical infrastructure that allows brands to scale with confidence.